Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where today I want to take a look at this rather nice little folding scalpel here that I picked up from Banggood recently. Cost me £11.63 I do believe. It's UK friendly, non-locking. What do you think of that? It's pretty nice, isn't it? It's got some very nice G10 scales on it, as you can see there. And it takes a number 23, I do believe, yes. Number 23 blade that's very easy to swap out. It's got the usual half stop going on just here. And it's quite nicely finished actually. Taking a look at the inside here, you can see it's nice and shiny on the inside of the spring. Something that can be unusual on a cheap knife. It's nicely polished all over actually. And so we've got G10 scales on there. I quite like the way they've done as well, look, with these very nice little details. It's all secured together with Torx screws as well. Quite impressed with it actually, it's quite nice. And it's quite light too. How much does it weigh then? Pop him on the scales. When it settles down, that's 18 grams. Or 5/8 of an ounce, so very light then. Dimension wise, open we're looking at 135.5 millimeters. Closed length is 81.5 millimeters. It is 7.7 millimeters wide and it's 14 millimeters deep. It doesn't have a pocket clip at all, but you do have a little lanyard hole or loop in this end here, and it's actually quite nice to open too. It's you've got that half lock here. It snaps into position very nicely too. Look, it's quite comfortable to hold. I mean, I've got large hands. Like I take a large glove, and I can get hold of this very nicely. I dare say you could actually, if you don't go too far forward, you could actually choke up on it a little bit here. But bearing in mind we are talking scalpel just here, so it will be rather sharp and will cut your skin for you, but yeah, however you want to hold this thing, it's very nice indeed. What about reverse grip? Well, it's a bit small for reverse grip, but you can do it. So I could do a few cutting tests, but it's all rather subjective because it depends on what the scalpel blade is like you've actually got fitted at the time. I don't know what this one's like, but we'll give it a look. This isn't actually my favourite style of blade. I prefer the angular pointed style of blade, but we'll give this one a go then, guys. Okay, so here is Bob the Bitzer bag back again. First time in a long time we've not seen him, but he's here. Got the old chopping block on the go here, and we've got some bit of cardboard and paper. But as I say, this is all really subjective because, you know, if the blade's any good, you've got. So look, I mean, yeah, cuts through cardboard very easily. Look. What about this sheet of paper here? Having cut the cardboard, let's have a look. Yeah, look at that, guys. Check how good this is. Push cut. And it should be that good as well on paper when you look at it. Alright, 3 layers of cheapo rope. Let's have a look. Can we get it to cut through that lot? We should be able to if I can get it in there. Oh yeah, piece of cake that was, guys. Can we cope with the speaker style cables here? Let's have a look. Fold that over. Give it a shove. Yep. Cut through that quite nicely, look, as you can see. What about some 32020 copper wire here? It's multi-stranded stuff in here. 32 strands of 0.332, something like that. I can't remember now. 32020, something like that. Right. Cut that nicely too, didn't it, guys? Mule, the tapeworm. Some mule tape here. Thank you very much to Trader Joe for sending this in. Should be able to cut through this. You know, scalpel blades are designed to cut through most things. There we go, look at that. Not too bad at all. It takes about 3 times to get through it though, but we're in. Okay, let's move on to the chopping block. First up, cheapo rope. Just roll it through there, look. Piece of cake right there. Moving on to the speaker style cable. Oh yeah, you don't need too much pressure on it, you can hold the blade like this. Yeah, it's pinging it about a little bit. Okay, larger style 32020. And I've got a little bit of pipe left as well, so we can try that in a moment. But let's just try the mule tape, see what it's like cutting the mule tape. Oh, you can just rock it through that, look. Look at that. Wow. You rock it straight through there. Nice. Piece of cake. Alright, let's get on with the pipe then. You should cut this very easily, guys. And it does. No pressure required at all. And it's not even flattening the pipe either, look. Okay, but it's not pinging it all that well though, look, because it's just too sharp and the blade's too thin. But really nice sharp blade there. As I say though, it's subjective. So there we go. It cuts really nicely, doesn't it? But then, as I say, it will do because it's a very thin scalpel blade on here. And if you've got a nice sharp blade, then it will be fine. The good thing about these scalpels is the fact that once the blade gets blunt, you don't really need to worry about sharpening them up. You just very carefully ping them off, like so. It's as simple as that, look. Try and put it back on without cutting myself on camera. Can we do it? There we go, look at that. So you don't need to worry about them. If you could carefully store some spare blades in your EDC kit, you'll be fine. Right, and so I purchased this from Banggood. And so it's got the half stop on it so it won't snap closed on your finger, which you don't particularly want with the scalpel blade in there. Yeah, so I purchased this from Banggood. It's a little bit more expensive now. I think this cost me £11.63 when I bought it the other month. Obviously I had to wait a week or two for it to arrive. But it's a very, very nice little bit of kit. It comes in different colours as well. You can get it in blue and black, some sort of yellow and black, or this, what I like, the orange and black here. And these very nice rounded off G10 scales here. Got a very nice lanyard loop. I dare say you could get some paracord through there. Let's give it a go. This is a 550 paracord. I should have probably melted the end, but yeah, even with the end melted, it'll still go through, look. So you can make yourself a very nice little lanyard on here if you wanted. Yes, so I've picked this up from Banggood, and what I'll do is I'll leave you a link in the descriptive text down below so you can wander along and take a look at price and availability in your country. As I say, it is UK friendly because we've got this, it's a non-locking thing, it's a slip joint as you can see, look. Just be careful with it when opening and closing it because it will chop you to pieces. But yes, I think that's a very nice little EDC item. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. Now then, have you guys got a favourite folding scalpel out there? I know there are several out there, and there are some a lot more expensive and probably better quality than this one. But if you carry a folding scalpel with you, leave it down in the comments because I'd be interested to find out, guys. Alright then, well I hope you enjoyed the review. Hope you enjoyed popping over to Rathbone Manor to take a look at a knife for the first time in quite a while. And yeah, I hope you'll pop back again soon. And I hope everyone out there stays safe during this unfortunate time we're having at the moment with COVID-19. I hope you all stay safe and I hope you all stay well. And I will catch you on the next one then. Catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching.